ElectraCast.
The world moves fast. Your workday, even faster. Pitching products, drafting reports, analyzing data. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant for work. Built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 apps you use. Helping you quickly write, analyze, create, and summarize. So you can cut through clutter and clear a path to your best work. Learn more at Microsoft.com/M365 Copilot.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for February 19th, 2026.
NASA is monitoring the effects of a geomagnetic storm that intensified from minor to moderate levels after a high-speed solar wind stream flowed from a coronal hole on the Sun. The activity produced bright auroras over Iceland, Greenland, and eastern Canada, observed by the Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer Suite instrument aboard the Suomi National Polar Orbiting Partnership satellite. In Alaska, NASA launched the Geospace Nuclear Environment Ion Neutral Coupling Sounding Rocket mission to collect data on the electrical currents that drive auroras and influence space weather. On the International Space Station, research and operations continue. Through the commercially enabled Rapid Space Science Initiative, a compact commercial microplate reader arrived aboard SpaceX Crew 12. The device enables astronauts to analyze biological samples in orbit and supports studies such as microgravity-associated bone loss B, which is examining the role of the protein interleukin-6 in space-related bone loss. Expedition 74 crew members also conducted studies on stress, sleep, blood, bone, and eye health. The Progress 93 cargo spacecraft performed an 11-minute thruster burn to raise the station's orbit by about 2 miles. NASA is inviting the public to participate in the Space Umbrella Citizen Science Project by reviewing data from the Magnetosphere Multiscale mission to identify magnetic reconnection events that affect space weather. Engineers at Langley Research Center have developed the self-aligned focusing Schlieren system to visualize airflow around aircraft and rockets. The system reduces setup time from weeks to minutes, improves imaging of shock waves and exhaust plumes, has been adopted by more than 50 institutions, and received both the 2025 Research and Development 100 Award and the NASA Government Invention of the Year Award. NASA also released findings from the investigation into the 2024 crewed test flight of Boeing's CST-100 Starliner. The mission lasted 93 days following propulsion anomalies and returned uncrewed. Investigators classified the event as a Type A mishap, citing hardware failures, qualification gaps, leadership missteps, and cultural issues. Corrective actions are underway, and the spacecraft will not return to flight until those issues are resolved. Preparations continue for Artemis II. NASA completed a full wet dress rehearsal, loading more than 700,000 gallons of liquid propellant into the Space Launch System and conducting terminal countdown simulations. Teams are reviewing data as March remains a potential launch window. Those were the key activities for NASA on February 19th, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily updates or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Delilah Sperrazza. Music by Amir Isaleh and Peter Rafelson.
Hi everyone, I'm Geraldine Glass, a leader in the field of music as medicine, and I'm excited to share with you my newest release of healing sound, Pentatonic Visions, with Chris Scholler and ElectraCast Records. Immerse yourself in ethereal realms where the harmonies of nature, tribal rhythms, and soundscapes blend with the crystal singing bowls. It's out now, streaming on all platforms.
ElectraCast.